First, delete forever. Then go into variable and type score. And then drag set score to 0. And then go to basic and drag show number. And then go to variable again and drag score. Then we're going to inputs and drag on button A pressed. After that, we're going to drag change score by 1. And then go to basic and drag show number. And then we're going to drag score and put it inside the circle. And then we're going to duplicate that and change A into B. And then change 1 into -1. Then go to duplicate that again and change it to A plus B. And delete the first block. And then go to variable and drag set score to 0.